Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I'm your science teacher Saba Kiran from Multan Public School and College. I hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. Are you ready for today's lesson? So let's start. Topic of the day is light materials. Dear students, some objects allow all of the light to pass through them. This means that we can clearly see through them. As we can see in this picture, the face of a boy. It is clear. So this is transparent object. Some materials only allow some light to pass through them. This means that we can partially see through them. Look at the second picture. In this picture, the face of the girl is not clear, and some objects do not allow any light to pass through them. This means that we cannot see them at all. Look at the last one picture. In this picture, we cannot see the face of a boy. So this is opaque object. Dear students, open your science book page number 120 and listen to me carefully. Materials and light. Can you see through a clear glass door or window? How about your classroom wall? You can see the scenery outside through a glass door or window. This is because glass allows light from outside to pass through it and reach your eyes. Objects or materials that allow light to pass through them, like clear glass, are transparent. Can you give other examples of transparent materials or object? Clear glass and plastic are transparent. So dear students, transparent object वो चीज़ें होती हैं जिसमें से रोशनी गुजर सकती है और हम चीज़ों को क्लियरली देख सकते हैं. जैसे कि इस पिक्चर में हम देख सकते हैं कि ग्लास में वाटर है और प्लास्टिक बॉटल खाली है. इसी तरह जब रात को हम अपने रूम की लाइट ऑन करते हैं तो हमें रूम में हर चीज़ क्लियरली नज़र आती है, क्योंकि लाइट जो है, बल्ब लाइट एक ट्रांसपेरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट है, उसमें से रोशनी गुजरती है और इसीलिए हमें कमरे में मौजूद हर चीज़ नज़र आती है. You cannot see through a classroom wall because it doesn't allow light to pass through it. Objects or material that do not allow light to pass through them are opaque. So dear students, in this picture we can see the transparent and opaque object. In the transparent object we can see the picture of boy and girl clearly, but in the opaque object we cannot see the picture of boy and girl clearly. Can you give examples of opaque materials or objects? Look at the photographs above. The rubber used for making the mouse pad and the plastic used for making the computer mouse are opaque. So are the bricks, tiles, wood, steel and concrete used to build a house? Look through a piece of tracing paper or baking paper. Is it transparent or opaque? Can you see through it clearly? Materials like tracing paper allow some light to pass through them. You can see through them but not very clearly. These materials are translucent. Can you give more example of translucent materials or objects? So dear students, कुछ मटीरियल्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें से रोशनी नहीं गुजर सकती. उन मटीरियल्स या ऑब्जेक्ट्स को ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट्स कहते हैं. जैसे कि हम वॉल की दूसरी साइड पे नहीं देख सकते कि वॉल की दूसरी साइड पे क्या है, क्योंकि उसमें से रोशनी पास नहीं होती और हमें कुछ भी दूसरी साइड पे नज़र नहीं आता. और कुछ मटीरियल ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें से रोशनी तो गुजरती है बट वो मटेरियल हमें क्लियरली दिखाई नहीं देते। जैसे कि ट्रेसिंग पेपर है, अगर हम ट्रेसिंग पेपर को करके ट्रेस करें तो हमें नज़र आ जाता है और हम उसे इजीली ट्रेस कर सकते हैं, लेकिन वो पिक्चर जो है वो क्लियर नहीं होती है। Frosted glass and some types of plastics are translucent. Look at the above picture. In this picture, we can see the man is standing, but it's not clear. Same like that, we cannot see clearly what is inside this plastic bottle. These are translucent objects. Dear students, today we have learned materials that allow most of the light to pass through them are transparent. You can see clearly through them. Examples are clear glass and clear plastic. Materials that allow only some light to pass through them are translucent. You can see through them but not clearly. Examples are frosted glass and tracing paper. And materials that do not allow light to pass through them are opaque. You cannot see through them. Examples are wood, rubber, and concrete. Dear students, homework is do reading page number 120 to 122 and do workbook page number 83 and 84. I hope you have learnt a lot from this video. I will wait for your feedback. Thank you.